Hello beauties, so in today's video I'm going to share my experience of using the Saint Botanica 24 karat night serum for 7 days straight. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So it is the first day, or should I say night, when I'm going to start using the serum, getting my hair out of the way, and this is how my skin looks before using the serum. So I have large pores around my nose. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it. I have some redness around my jaw and a few zits here and there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and these are the concerns that I'm trying to tackle with the serum. So before applying the serum, I'm spraying some rose water on my face as a toner. And this is how the bottle looks. It's a double layered glass bottle with a dropper dispenser. And I'm going to use only 2 drops of the serum on my face as it is the first day and it is a really high concentration of vitamin C. I don't want to overwhelm my skin with it in the first go. So starting really slow and with a lesser amount, I'm spreading the serum all over my face. Now I'm applying this moisturizer from Simple. To lock the serum. As the serum already has hyaluronic acid, I am using less moisturizer than usual. So what is hyaluronic acid? It is natural sugar found in our skin that holds the water and helps to keep the skin hydrated and plump. And also it prevents all the moisture from evaporating into the air. My skin feels super hydrated after using this, and I'll sleep and see you on the day. Checking into the day 2, and obviously there is no changes that I can see in the skin. It's too soon to comment right now. Using it in the same way as yesterday, I am going to use 2 to 3 drops only. The consistency of the serum is thick and sticky, so I like to melt it in my fingers and use. I like to press the serum into my skin. I have a lot of open pores on my nose. I just wish this serum helped me with that, and I'm going to follow it up with the moisturizer. Now talking about vitamin C in this serum, vitamin C helps to hydrate, brighten and even out your skin tone by fading the pigmentation, and it also reduces the appearance of your dark circles and promotes the collagen production in your skin. And all the ingredients that I'm trying to explain to you are all completely safe to use on your skin. They are not going to harm your skin in any ways. However, saying that, you should always patch test your products before trying them out on your face, because your skin can be allergic to any of the ingredients. So you should always patch test. Even if your skin is sensitive or not sensitive, your skin can be allergic to any of the ingredients. So please patch test before trying out the new product. I am done applying the moisturizer and my skin is literally glowing. See you on the day 3. Day 3, you guys, and today the area around my nose and mouth felt a little bit dry in the morning. I don't know if it was because of the serum or maybe because I'm wearing makeup all day. Okay, so applying 2 drops of serum today, and I'm going to go a little heavy with the moisturizer. And now on a completely different note, if you are still watching the video until here, and I'm guessing you liked it or are finding it helpful, so please go ahead and smash the like button for me. We are done with the day 3. Now let's see how my skin acts tomorrow. Welcome to the day 4, my beauties, and today my skin did not feel so dry in this morning. Maybe I wasn't using enough moisturizer, or maybe it was the makeup, you never know. Also, what I noticed was my skin felt smooth. I mean, the texture of my skin really felt really smooth today, so I saw a difference with that, and it is also helping me with lightening the acne scars. Day 5 it is, and I wore makeup today, and the mascara and liner is not ready to leave my eyes. So just so you know, they are not dark circles, it's just makeup. Today I'll use 3 drops. I think my skin is accepting the vitamin C really nicely. Applying it in the same way, I actually had high hopes with the serum, and it has started to work nicely now after using it for 4-5 days. I think my skin is now reacting to the serum in a good way, of course. Repeating the same thing on the day 6. I'm going to fast forward this video because I'm doing the exact same steps. is day 7 and I think I have my opinion about the serum. Yes, it did lighten my acne marks and made my skin look brighter, and I saw a little difference in my dark circles too. However, saying that, I did not see any difference in the size of my pores. They were pretty much the same. I think I need to use it for a longer period of time to see a difference in them. The application is easy and pretty simple. Just make sure this is a night serum with a really high concentration of vitamin C, so I would not suggest you to use this in the day, and especially not without a sunscreen. So try to use it at night only, and I would definitely suggest this serum if you suffer from pigmentation, dry or flaky skin, if you have mature skin. And with this, we come to an end of this video. If you guys liked it or found it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.